is telling us his story after an attacker stabbed him outside of a South Austin gas station. This happened near Oltorf and I-35 just before 5 o'clock this morning. The victim was stabbed in the chest and taken to UMC Brackenridge. But while our photojournalist was on the scene this morning, the victim came back and told us his version of what happened.
I woke up, came to the stove. Somebody was talking something, I didn't understand what he was saying. So he put out a blaze, so I started boxing or whatever. He chased me. I was just talking or whatever. I just had a fight, whatever. I didn't know I was stabbed. I looked down, my whole shirt red, blood gushing, squirting out my head.
Titus told us doctors needed 14 stitches to close the wound on his chest and 16 for a cut to his head. He says he did not know the man who attacked him. Police do not have a suspect in custody yet.